Okay. Stereos, CD player, pretty straightforward. If you want to Bluetooth or audio in from your phone, use this guy, Blackweb. Get it out, turn it on right here, and right here. And it says hi. All right, looks like it's on Bluetooth right now, that little BT, and the connection will be Blackweb. In the event you want to do audio in, hit this button till it says aux, and there is a cable here with both kinds of ends. If you ignore it for a while, this part will go to sleep. Just hit that button again and it'll light back up and come back on. So then, well, there's a class after you, so you won't have to even worry about turning it off. But again, turn it on here, on right there. And then that changes your function. Ta-da!